Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Doom the Dark Ages not launching from the Xbox Game Pass. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and just open up the Xbox Game Pass app on your PC. Now from here under Home or Library, right click on Doom the Dark Ages and then go ahead and select Manage. From Manage, go over to Files, then go ahead and select Verify and Repair. And once that is done, you can go ahead and try to start Doom the Dark Ages and check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can try doing is by going over to the search bar and typing in Device Manager. And what you want to basically do is you want to update your drivers, because there's a possibility that your drivers are causing an issue as well. So right click on your Display Adapters, right click on your GPU and hit Update Driver, and then go ahead and select Search Automatically for Drivers. Now that is one way to update your drivers. Another way is by using the GeForce Experience app directly. If you are on NVIDIA and if you are on AMD, you can go ahead and use the AMD equivalent app. Now you can also manually install them by using your favorite browser and just typing in NVIDIA whatever drivers, etc., the latest drivers, whatever, and you can also do that as well. But anyways, if you want to do it directly from the app, just make your way over to drivers and then go ahead and select check for updates. And if you have an update, you can go ahead and install the update or download it from here. And I highly recommend, once that you finish downloading the drivers, go ahead and restart your PC as well. Now once you do all of these methods, you guys should be good to go. And that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.